Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know, yesterday we have completed the explanation of the chapter A and the we have too much course. That's why we are doing our syllabus now in hurry. That is clear to all of you. Okay, that's why I have not taken any type of revision after completing my chapter. So first I will complete my whole syllabus because we have to also started the optional subject. That is clear to all of you. So let us see next what is the next. So after explanation of A and the, one more important thing I will tell you, that before sun, moon and stars and rivers and holy books, we always use the. That is clear to all of you. इट्स अ इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट दैट बिफोर सन. आपको अगर कहीं सन लिखना है सो बिफोर सन वी ऑलवेज राइट द. बिफोर स्टार वी यूज द. बिफोर मून वी यूज द. ओके. एंड ऑल्सो विद होली बुक लाइक रामायण, द महाभारत, द बाइबल, द कुरान. ओके. सो before the holy books we always write the. And also before the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Saraswati, the Mandakini. Okay, so rivers के पहले भी हम क्या करते हैं, दा का यूज़ करते हैं. This is an important fact. Okay, so this is completed yesterday. So let us move to our worksheet today. So let us see the worksheet. First you mention the date 7/10/2020. So first you write the first heading worksheet and make underline here. After that fill in the blanks with an appropriate article A and the. You have to write the next heading, that fill in the blanks with an appropriate article A and the. After that start. Okay, so I have given only some nouns without any sentence. Only I have given only words and you have to identify the word, which type of word is this, and after that you have to put A and the according to the rules. As you all know, we use and before the vowel sound, we use A before the, yes, A before the consonant sound, and we use the before the river, before the mountains, before the holy books, before the sun, moon and stars, and also before the uncountable nouns, or we can say or before the specific thing. If we are specified something, then we use the there. Okay, so number one is book. As you know, book is what is the pronunciation of book? So it's a consonant. B is consonant. Book. So we use a. Car, ka. So it pronunciate like consonant. So we put a. Igloo. Igloo, that means its pronunciation is E. That means it's a vowel. So we use an. After that apple. It's vowel. Okay, in starting we see. हम starting में देखते हैं कि क्या pronunciation है इसका. तो A. Apple. A आ रहा है ना, A-I-O-U. So we put an. After that table. Table is T is consonant. So what is the consonant of T? T. Okay, we can say T. So it's a consonant. So we put A. Number 6 is dog. Dog, it's also D is also a consonant sound. So after that Bible. So Bible is also no, we can say, I have told you that before holy books, Bible is a holy book of Christians. So before holy books we put the. So here we put the. After that I have told you that before rivers we can put the. So here the. After that umbrella. Umbrella, the pronunciation of umbrella, so a is a vowel sound, so we put here a, but here is written U, so it's also a vowel. After that owl. Pronunciation of owl is owl and A is a vowel, so we put here an. Cockroach. Pronunciation of cockroach is ka. Ka is a consonant, so we put here a cockroach. After that hat. Hat, pronunciation of hat is ha. So it's a consonant, so we put a. After that sun. Sun, I have told you that before the sun, moon and star we always put the. So we put the here. After that number 14 is house. House, the pronunciation of house is ha. So we put, it's a consonant, so we put a. After that truck. So it's a consonant, so we put a. That is clear to all of you. Then now everybody mention the today's date, 7/10/2020, and now listen, fill in the blanks with a or an. You have to write here a or an according to the sense of the sentence. Okay, I don't mean that it is sense of the sentence according to the noun, that the sound of the noun is vowel or consonant. Okay, so here we are not talking about the only a or an. So I have dash umbrella which is red in color. So umbrella, the sound of umbrella is vowel, so we put an. She studies at dash university. So at you अगर हम कहेंगे, yes, so we can say a university. Better, yes, next one we can see here. एक सेकेंड, यू यूनिवर्सिटी में एन आएगा. So we use a here. After that, Hina bought dash pair of bangles. It's a consonant sound, so we write a here. Geeta lives in apartment. Apartment, it sounds vowel, so we put an. Would you like dash piece of cake? Piece of cake, that means consonant sound, we put a. It has been dash hour. Hour, pronunciation of hour is a. A is a vowel sound, so we put an. Harry is dash honest boy. Honest, that means o. It gives vowel sound, so we put an. Will you have omelette? That means omelette, that means vowel sound, so we put o. That means an. After that, come to the next, fill in the blanks. It's exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. So first one is pass me dash bowl of popcorn on your lap. That means it's particular bowl that is on your lap. He's talking in this सेंटेंस, somebody is talking about the particular bowl. एक particular bowl के बारे में कर रहे हैं, that is put on your lap. आपकी गोद में जो बॉल रखा है, I am talking about that. So it's a particular, so we put the. Dash Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. So it is also a specific building, so we write here the. Give me dash place in your team. A place, एक place मुझे दीजिए. That is clear to all of you. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. So here we put a and here the. Have you met dash dancer who will perform tonight? That means we are talking about a particular or a specific girl dancer. Okay, so we put here the. I took dash break from work. A break. Okay, it's sound, its sound is consonant, so we put a. Then Kinjal will be given a dash token at dash counter. Kinjal will be given a token at the counter. It is talking about the particular counter. After that, H dash life of dash worker is very hard. So the life of a worker is very hard. After that, I ate dash sandwich and dash ice cream at dash cinema. So I ate a sandwich, एक sandwich खाई and an ice cream, एक ice cream खाई. It's a vowel sound, so we put an. It's a consonant sound, we put a. At the cinema, it's a particular. Okay, so we put the here. After that, we can say that last one is dash rain stopped and we saw dash rainbow. The rain stopped and we saw a rainbow. ठीक है, rain stop हुई और हमने क्या देखा? Rainbow देखा. Now come to the next exercise 3. Insert a, an or the where needed using a slash. हमें a एन और द का यूज़ करना है, ठीक है। कहीं पे ए होगा और जहाँ नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, कहीं पे एन होगा। लाइफ इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, I don't think that there is no need to put anything. So A1 is correct. Number B, A1 is correct. After that, woman at shop is very polite. So the woman, जो woman थी shop पे वो बहुत polite थी. The woman at the shop. So अब we have to put the before woman. So we make a hyphen like this. ऐसे लगा देते हैं जब हमें कुछ ऊपर लिखना होता है. So we put a hyphen here and after that we put the and also here. Make again hyphen and the. Honey is sweeter than sugar. Correct. There is no change. After that, number D, cat killed rat. The cat killed the rat. अगर rats होता so हम इसमें कुछ नहीं लगाते, then we only write the cat killed the rat. Make a hay while sun shines. Okay, here we put A. Okay, make hyphen. After that, Robin was chirping at the dawn. Nayan is a kind boy. I have not met an honest man like him. Please bring students to the principal office. My garden has an apple tree in middle. Class, you can see here how I have written at the upside by using the hyphen. So you also write in the same way. That is clear to all of you. Any doubt? No. So now today this chapter is completed. So today I will provide you PDF of this chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt then write in comment box, and today I will provide you PDF, and after my video I will ask some questions related to the topic and you have to give the answers. So listen very carefully everyone. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.